Hello, class. I received a few questions about locating the appendix that's in the back of your book. So I wanted to create this video to help with that. If you click on Course menu and then Learning Modules, you'll see we have a link for My Stat Lab. And then when I click My Stat Lab, if you go all the way to the bottom or toward the bottom, you'll see that My Stat Lab Statistics Tools for Success. And on this page, you'll see a link that says View the Appendices. And the tables that we need are in Appendix A. Right here, the random numbers table. Right, this is table 1. If we go to scroll down to, I think it's page 11, right? Page 11, you'll see my standard normal distribution, right? This is where we get our z-scores from. And if I continue to scroll down, when we get to confidence intervals, right, 95% level of confidence has a critical value of 1.96. And we continue to scroll down. Here's my t-distribution, right? So when we're doing a confidence interval about a population mean, we might use this table. Notice the degrees of freedom column over here. So this is where you can get all of your tables. And it looks like I can actually download this. I can print this if I wanted to. But, you know, it is 23 pages. So I do want to take you to another document that I think is also pretty helpful. So I'm going to X out here, and I'll close this window. And back over here, if you look at this other link, it says View the Tables and Formulas. When I click on that, it creates a nice PDF that organizes your data by chapter, or organizes your formulas by chapter, right? Chapter 2, Chapter 3, and so on. So I thought this was pretty helpful. And then at the bottom of this, you'll see the tables that we use, I guess, most often, right? The standard normal distribution table, and right here's the confidence interval critical values, t-distribution table, the chi-square distribution. So this is a nice place to, I guess, in only 8 pages, gather your formulas by chapter and tables. Right, and again, you can just download this or print it, and maybe you want to have a copy of this open when you're taking your exam, your final exam. It's my alarm, sorry about that. Okay. So this as I was saying, this would be a pretty good or handy table to have open, or a handy document to have open when you're taking your final exam, because it does organize your formulas by chapter, and you know, the tables are at the bottom of this document. Okay. Okay. So now while we're here, I'm going to close this out, and I did want to mention there are also some really nice help videos in here. So for example, StatCrunch, you know, you can see StatCrunch video tutorials. So for example, if you need help creating a confidence interval or a hypothesis test, you can click in here and see the video. You know, I've created my own homemade videos, and I post them to the general discussion board, but, you know, I confess I'm no Spielberg or Scorsese. But I do the best I can with my videos. So here are some professional videos, and I'll just click on one, and it will show you how to use StatCrunch to solve some of the problems that, you know, you're going to encounter. And here we go. So you can just click on it, and it will show you the StatCrunch keystrokes.
In this video, you will learn to compute one sample t confidence intervals with raw data.
And you get the idea, right? So there are, as you can see, pages of videos that will, I think, prove useful as you work through the course. And one last thing, I'm going to X out of this. Okay. You know, I do want to mention that the e-textbook is here as well. And again, I just want to mention, you know, it only shows you chapters 1 through 14. But, you know, again, if you need the appendix, you now know where to find it. And you click on the chapter, you can open it up. And I just want to make sure that you're taking advantage of all of the help aids or the support aids, right? I'm going to click on Objective 1. And you'll notice in the bottom, this is processing all of the fonts. So it might take a moment for the fonts to load. Here we go. And just notice that all of these links, right, every time you see my arrow or my cursor change to a hand, this is all interactive, right? You can click on all of these things. And, they give you a problem, and, they'll show you a video solution by clicking this, how to do this by hand. Here's a video using your TI-84 calculator. Video solution, SC stands for StatCrunch. Technology step by step. So, make sure you're using all of these support buttons, for help with the particular problems that are given from week to week. Okay, I hope this helps you get started. Thanks for watching. Take care.